Hey guys, welcome to another CodeTech Nexus episode. Today we're gonna do a professional logo with CorelDRAW 6, and I'm gonna try to do this in less than 5 minutes. And please give us a like, subscribe if you like this video. So let's begin. So we're gonna do a remodeling logo, and as I have said many times before, you don't need a fancy logo or design with complicated designs. All you need is a play of nice fonts and stuff. That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. And let's type in the name of the company, which is Mancera Remodeling, but we'll deal with that later. Or let's type it in now. Remodeling. Okay. So let's break apart these two fonts, even though they're going to be done with the same font, but let's focus on the name first. Okay, so let's make this big, and actually let's stretch this a little bit more. Okay, let's do this 100, so I don't think it's big enough for the what I'm planning to do. Okay, now let's draw a rectangle. You will by the way, I'm using CorelDRAW 6. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'm gonna draw a rectangle, and then I'm gonna use the envelope icon to shape this font. And what I'm gonna do after I drew this rectangle, I'm gonna go to shaping, weld, then I'm gonna double click and right click on the mouse to curve and pick the center. Okay, now I already have the envelope here, but let's get rid of it and let me show you where you can find it. Pick on the font that you are planning to shape and go to Window, then Dockers, and find the envelope. And then you can click on this little icon, Create Form. Then you will see this arrow. Then click and apply. There you have it. It's gonna convert to the shape that you just drew. Now let's get rid of that. All right, so now let's drag some of these dotted lines here. Another one here. You can kind of like get an idea how thick this M the font is. So I don't know if it makes sense, but I'll show you in a second. I'd rather show it to you what I'm trying to say here. Let's drag another line here because we want the logo to be as close as perfect. Okay, so I have that figured out. It has to be this thick and kind of like get the same thickness as the other one. All right, so now we're gonna go on the left here and choose on the Bezier tool and kind of like make a shape here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is highlight that and then choose Bezier tool and then get this side here first, then here, and then here, 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 and here. All right, now let's do the same on the other side. Let's get this here, here. It's not gonna be that perfect, but you can still kind of like play with it later. No problem. So, all right, so now we can get rid of this. We have our shapes ready, and we use these dotted lines to kind of get an idea of where you're gonna close or join the dots. Okay, so now let's do a right click to curve and you're gonna get an idea of how to shape this. It's not, there's no perfect, I guess you could say curve, but you're gonna get the closest one. It's not gonna be a perfect one, but it's gonna be a cool design. You'll see in a minute. All right, let's do this on the other side. Okay, select, right click to curve. Okay, you're gonna kind of like get an idea of how curved you want this. I think we got it. Okay, now let's highlight this. If something we don't like, we can always change it, so don't worry. Okay, but to me it looks perfect. Now let's change this to impact, make it big, and click, select on this center, and then we're gonna shape this curve too. Okay, so we're gonna go to arrange, shaping, weld, envelope, at present. Then you're gonna select the first one, apply. Okay, now you're gonna do a right click to curve, select the center, then kind of like get an idea of where you want this center. Okay, I mean you can play with the design. I mean, I'm just showing you how you can make a fancy design, and there you have it. Now you can double click and get rid of these dots. Sometimes they can make a change, a huge impact on your design. They can probably get better shape to your logo. And I think we are about done here. We have a basic logo. As you watched, I did not need to draw a fancy design. It was all just letters and just creativity, if that makes sense. And yeah, this is it for this video, guys. Hopefully you like it. And yeah, if you liked this video, give me a like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.